Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to reset encrypted password in WhatsApp. So if you forgot your encrypted backup password for your WhatsApp account, in WhatsApp application here is no option to reset the encrypted password. To reset the encrypted password, you have to submit a request form to WhatsApp, and here's how to do it. On your phone, open a browser and search for WhatsApp contact, and then open this contact WhatsApp link, and here you will get a contact or request form. All you have to need, enter here your phone number, which number you use to create your WhatsApp account. So here's I'm adding a random number for tutorial purpose. And in this email address box, you have to add your email address and confirm the email address here. And then, how do you use WhatsApp? Select here your device and please enter your message below. In this description box, you have to carefully describe that you forgot your encrypted password for your WhatsApp account and must attach this line that I forgot my WhatsApp account encrypted password. I want to reset, and if you want, I can verify my WhatsApp number. So this will prove that you are the owner of the WhatsApp account. So after that, after carefully describing, all you have to need just submit this request form, and now after that you have to check your email address, which email address you provided in this form, and WhatsApp will mail you using the email address. WhatsApp will contact with you and will send you a link about how to reset your encrypted password for your WhatsApp account. So currently this is the only way to reset encrypted backup password for WhatsApp account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.